Hi everyone, and welcome to Money Heist. And like every video of mine where I teach you how to make money online, well, in this video I will show you how you can easily make around $110 per email. Yes, you've heard it right, $110 per email. I have done the hard part for you, and all you need to do is watch this video and follow the steps on the video very carefully. But before we start this video, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified for the upcoming videos so you can take full advantage of my channel and earn a passive income as many ways as possible. I know we all want to make money so that we can buy the things we want, like our favorite clothes and shoes, maybe buy a console to play games, or maybe travel to a new destination, or help our loved ones. I'm here to tell you that you can do all that by watching my videos and earn all the way. You don't need a social media presence, nor do you require any money to invest. It will be absolutely free. So, let's begin. Step 1 is to click on the link given on the description and go ahead and read about the platform, how it actually works, what is in the platform, and why we are choosing this for our affiliate. Then go ahead to step 2 and sign up. You will need to check the pricing plans, but don't worry, you don't need to apply for the pricing plans because you're not gonna pay a single penny. You will be doing this for $0. Sign up with your correct details such as first name and last name, your email address, and your password. Now I've done most of the part for you. That is, I have added an email in the description that you will need to send out. Just copy this email and paste it. But before you do, head over to YouTube. You won't need to create any videos nor add any contents to YouTube. You don't need to show your face. You don't need social media presence. All you need to do is find content creators. Go ahead up in the search bar, search something like Fortnite or investing business or top 5 compilation or whatever you can think of. GTA, online gaming, and find around 20 to 30 creators with less than 100,000 subscribers. It will take you around 10 to 20 seconds to find one. Step 4 is when you have found these channels, small YouTube content creators. Here's a tip: find as many as you can so you can earn more. I want you to grab their email addresses, which is available on the About section of the account. Click there, choose for business inquiries, copy that email and keep it. Now you will be sending them an email which I've added under the description. Just copy that along with your affiliate link and send it to the emails you found on youtube.com. Remember, you will be making an average $110 per person you refer to. Although you do have a chance of making around $250 per person, but that depends on the package they actually choose or how many people will take this subscription. But hey, I've made an average $110 using this method. After you refer to around 40 people, from there on you will be making an average $300 per person. Just imagine, you send out around 50 emails, you make $110 for 40 people. That's more than $4,000, and the next 10 people, you make $300 per person, and that is $3,000. So in total, for 50 emails, you get around $7,000. Wow! So make sure you sign up and join as an affiliate to the platform. Make sure to enter your valid legal name, valid email address, fill out the details on each box, and the entire process should not take more than 2 minutes. Here you will get the affiliate link you need to send out to the email address taken from the YouTube. So in summary, what you will do is you will join the platform for free, add your wallet details, and then you will go to youtube.com. Search for the accounts that have less than 100,000 followers, get their emails from the about section, make sure you get as many as you can. Then return to the platform. Here you have joined as an affiliate, so get the affiliate link and copy that to the email under the description. Send out the emails and you will achieve an average $110 per person. I have tried these methods and I want to give you the secrets of making money. Though this may just be passive income, but hey, something is better than nothing. Please do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to hit the like button to be notified for future videos similar to this one. This is it from Money Heist, and I will see you soon.